Hey everyone, it's Roger with Williamson Foundation Repair since 1985, the most trusted name in foundation repair. We're up here in Frisco working on a house that we've been on for a couple of weeks and wanted to kind of show you the difference between installing piers, interior piers, without going through the floors. So we're going to be doing interior piers here by tunneling under the house. So we wanted to show you what that tunneling is going to look like. Okay, so this house in Frisco has extremely nice floors that they did not want to have to replace to install the piers. The engineer called for 52 steel piers around the entire perimeter and all through the interior of the house. So after that, he wanted the house lifted 4 inches above the ground underneath it. So we have dug tunnels under the house to access all the pier locations. These panels are going in to prevent soil from falling back in under the house. Okay, here we are under the house in Frisco. As you can see, we have tunneled way under the house. We've had a plumber come in and disconnect the plumbing pipes, and now we've put everything back together. Right there you can see basically how far the house has been lifted. There's one of our piers. You can see it's a steel pier with a steel top. We used some concrete spacers, concrete cylinders, and shims. Again, you can see the gap there between the house and the dirt, showing that it has been lifted about 4 inches. Another pier over here. So this is what it looks like when we do interior piers. What it looks like underneath the house. Got a grade beam, and then it goes up, and then another grade beam, and then it goes up, another grade beam. So basically the house looks a lot like a waffle underneath. After we're finished working under the house and have everything ready to button up, we will actually be installing drains in each of these primary tunnels and connecting them together to a sump pump and draining out to the street. That way the tunnels will remain intact, so if any pier adjustments are ever needed, it's a very simple process to access the tunnels and go back under the house. But unlike most companies, we install drainage systems in those tunnels because otherwise they flood and create mildew issues under the house. So there we are, Williamson Foundation Repair, installing piers through tunnels, which we can do if you need to save your interior floors and still need interior piers. We can always do tunnels as well. They can get a little costly. They take time, but it is an excellent way to go ahead and fix the house. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Roger Williamson with Williamson Foundation Repair. Be sure to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel.